Hello viewers, I Ishmeet welcome you to my video on Google Drive. So first we have to sign into our Gmail account. You can see over here I am already signed in. Then we have to open the Google Drive. We can there are two ways to open Google Drive. We can just type the URL drive.google.com, or we can go to Google Apps and select Google Drive. So I have already opened the Google Drive. Next, we have to create a new folder named project. So there are two ways to do this. We'll just left click and we can say new folder, or we go to new and say folder. So I'll just create a folder. You just click enter or click on create and you can see the folder has appeared. Then we have to change the color theme of this color code of this folder. We'll just left click on the folder and say change color, or we can just go here, select that. We have to select that file, then go here and the same setting will appear, change color, and we can then change the color code. Next, upload a file from your computer onto your drive. So to do this, we'll go to new or file upload, or we'll just left click and upload files. It's opening. Suppose I want to upload a file, suppose this. It's just uploading. So I'll just pause the video by the time it uploads. As you can see, the file is uploaded. I'm just sorry as I took a large file, and we can see the file over here. Next, create one new Google Doc file and save it in the project folder. So I'll just go to the project folder and then create a Google Doc file. So it will already get saved into the project folder. The project folder is opening. Just a second. And the folder has opened. We have to now we have to create the Google Doc file. You can just left click, go to Google Docs, create the file, or we'll go to new Google Docs blank document, and the file is created and it's loading and it's created. Next, we have to rename this file. So we can just click over here. This is the rename option, and we can, suppose I want the file name to be issue. So it's done. There's another way to do this. We go to the folder. We can just left click on the file and select rename, and we can rename the file and then click on OK. Next, we have to change the view to grid view. So right now it's already in the grid view. To change it back to the list view, this is the option. Change it back to the list view. This is the option. Like with the same option, I can change it back to the grid view also. I'll change it back to the grid view. Done. Next, display the activity window. So activity window, suppose I want to display the activity window. I just click on a file. I just left click. I'm very sorry. I just click on this option and I can go to activity. We can open it for a specific file also by selecting it. So suppose I selected this folder, and we can click over here and the activity window will open. So now we have to upload a folder from our computer, star a file and check that file in star folder. To upload a file from the computer, we'll just go to new folder upload or left click and select upload folder. Suppose I upload this folder, uploaded the folder. So as you can see, the folder has uploaded. Now we have to start a file and see it in the start folder. So I'll just select a file, left click, add to start, or there's another way. We just select a file and then we can just go to this more actions button and select add to start. So I'll just add this folder to start, and I've added this file also. I'll go to start. I've added the folder, and here's the folder. I'll add a file also. Suppose I'll just go over here, left click, add to start. It's added. I'll go to the start folder and I can see it over here. Next, download a file from your drive to the computer. Now it's the other way around. Suppose I want to download this file from the start folder, which is on the drive, and I'll left click on download, or I'll go to this more options button, or I have already selected that file, and I'll click download. So it'll just scan for viruses, then it'll download and it'll appear over here. Next, we have to share that file with one of our friends and give him or her only comment permission, and the next one you have to only give her view permission. Okay, so to do this, I'll select the file, click on this option, or just left click and click on share. Then we'll write name or email address. So I added the email address. Then first we'll do can comment, click on send, and for the other way just click on share, add the name, and over here we can change it to can edit, can comment, or can view. Right now we are changing it to view as per the project. So it's done. Then sort the files in shared folder by shared date. So we'll go to the shared folder. It's already sorted by the shared date. We can also change it to name, last modified, last open, etc. You can change the ascending and descending order from this icon. See version history of a file. So we just left click on the file and select manage versions, and we can see the version history. We go back, add Hindi language from settings. I'll just go to settings. I think I've already added Hindi language, but I'll still show you how to add. We'll go in the journal tab. Then we'll go to language, change language settings. And in another tab this would open, and we can select add another language. I'll select Hindi. I've already added Hindi, that's why it's not appearing over here. We'll type the language, click on it, enter, and the language would appear here. Then we have to change the setting to convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. To do this, we'll just go convert uploads and then check this box, and don't forget to click on done, and this so that it saves your changes, and we are done. Thank you everyone for watching my videos.